Hi guys, Danny from Unleashed Canine Services. In this next before and after clip, you will see Mike and his 2.5-year-old rescue German Shepherd called Ruby. He's owned Ruby for about 4 months. He adopted her from a rescue centre, and after exhausting all the rescue centre's resources to help him fix these behaviours and sought the help of a number of different trainers, he was still struggling with Ruby's reactivity towards other dogs. In this clip you'll see a 1-hour behavioural consultation. It's not a quick fix. Mike's been given his homework set and he'll be continuing to work with myself. But what you will see is a very, very big difference in this dog's behaviour. This dog does not have to behave like this. There is a better way, and hopefully you'll see that in this next clip. Please excuse the state of the indoor training centre. It's very, very new. On this day it was absolutely torrential rain, and I thought I would take him inside despite it not being prepped for classes just yet. Enjoy the video and thanks for watching. And just do whatever you normally would do. If you would normally tell her, then you can tell her. If not, don't. Just walk in with Perry, mate. Very, very intent on exploring an environment, isn't she?
Yeah.
Alan, walk in with Perry. Seen the dog straight away and she's on it. And that's all you do is this, try and manage it then.
Yeah.
Perry's very well behaved now.
No.
That calls up. That's it, about in. That's it. Go ahead, Alan, come in. Nice and relaxed. That's it. Turn him round. Nice and relaxed. Tell her good girl.
Good girl.
That's it.
Heel.
Turn him round again. Very good. There it is. Nice and relaxed. And slam the brakes on. Give it a little stroke. Good girl. Be careful how you're stroking her, because when you're diving in with that lead in your hand and she's like, whoa, okay? So it's, when you stroke her, you switch your lead to your right hand and just give her a very subtle stroke. Start underneath her chin and come round. Okay. So switch that lead to your right hand and just go right underneath her chin. Good girl. There you go. Now switch it back and off you go. Fast jerky movements make dogs twitch to death. Okay, don't want to do that. That's it. Very nice. And turn him round. Very good. As you're moving now, switch the lead to your right hand. Just give it a little subtle stroke on the move. Good girl. And off you go. Very good. Lovely. She's a nice dog here. It's an absolute tragedy that she's ended up in kennels in a rescue centre. You're going to have a belter of a time with her now. Now that you've got her under manners and she's just happy to crack on. She's not a fan of that wind in her face.
She's got an ear infection in the minute.
Oh, does she?
Yeah.